How to see everything Amazon knows about you. So for that, open your Safari or any kind of browser, and in here what you're going to search is Amazon request my data page. After doing that, simply search for it, and in here you can see, tap on the first link that you'll see. And after doing that, we'll get back to our Amazon application, where if you are required to sign into your account, please do that. And after doing that, you can tap on the option request your data. So after doing that, here you can see these are all of the data that you can request. So in here, if you want to see any of your order history, you can tap on submit request and do so. We also have the option of your addresses, payment options, subscriptions, search history, Echo devices, and Alexa, Kindle, Fire TV, and many more. Here you can see you can tap on any of the submit requests of the exact thing that you want to know what Amazon knows about you. So if you want to know your browsing history, what you can do is simply tap on the option of submit request in your search history right here, and like that a file will be downloaded on your phone, and like that you can simply open that file and see what exactly Amazon knows about you, and that's it.